Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Check it out, check it out. We are here in Verona. About to do some fishing out here. We haven't done fishing out here in a while, so we'll come check the spot out right here. See if we can get on some fish today. It's a nice, beautiful day. The sun's coming out. It's gonna be a nice sunny day. Yeah, stay tuned for that, y'all. Let's see what's out here. Let's go do some fishing. All right. Check this out, fellas. Catching a little fish right here. Check it out, check it out. Let's see what it is. Pike minnow. Check that out, fellas. Nice fish right here. And this is all that's just out here. Yeah, not bad. We didn't get skunked. Y'all, look at this minnow right here. I don't know what these called exactly, but I think it's a pike minnow. Check it out, check it out. That's what we caught so far. Yeah, no skunk, y'all. Alright, stay tuned, see what else we can catch. Alright. Alright, fellas, let me show you my setup. Got a 5-ounce weight. See that right there? This 5-ounce weight is round like this. So it can slide on the ground, won't get stuck. It's different than your normal pyramid weight. Where the pyramid weight gets stuck. Let me show you a pyramid weight. This here's your normal pyramid weight. This will sink and hold your bait. Since there's not a lot of current out here, we're using this right here. But we are using a little bit bigger than a 3-ounce. We're using 5-ounce. Just a simple swivel will do. Put a swivel on there, weight, make your leader about 3 feet. Right now, the bait that we're using seems to be working out here. It's the night crawler. We got 2 types of bait. I'll show you the other bait right now. What I'm doing out here is just attracting fish to the area. Is that a bite? Attracting fish to the area. See that? So we'll throw this back of the boat. I see it went out there. Let it sink all the way to the bottom. Just hold it. Should be getting bites right away. If there's some fish in the area, under 5 minutes, should be able to feel a bite. It's my setup. 5-ounce weight, size 3 hook. Make my own leader using thick line, just the leftover line that I had from spooling my reels. Did about a 3 feet leader, 3 size hook, 5-ounce weight. I like to leave them around 3 feet apart, separated from the weight. Let's see if we can catch us up a strapper keeper out here, y'all. Searching for them striper keepers now. Should be running up now. Should be season for stripers now. So set up for that. We'll have some fun on here. Bring some worms, some night crawlers. Start bringing out your striper setups. Give that a try. Caught a little fish. That was a good sized fish. It's one of those river pike minnows or something. I don't know. I don't know exactly what they're called. Pretty big. I heard they taste pretty good, so we're gonna take them home and we're gonna try them out. See what it tastes like. Pretty good sized fish, y'all. Check them out. You wanna see them? Let's get and get skunk out here, y'all. Feels good catching a fish. Check out that fish right there. Nice. These are good eating. I'm gonna try them out. So appreciate this. This is my catch for today. Check it out, check it out. Nice big minnow. Couple pieces of meat off of that. Fry them, deep fry them. See how that tastes. Haven't had fish in a while. we're gonna give him a try. Yeah, if you like what I'm doing, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, y'all. Give it a like. Pretty close to reaching that goal, so I'm ready to give away all the setups that I have. I'll be giving you pretty much every setup you need out here. Do some striper fishing, sturgeon fishing. I'll give you a couple of lures and stuff like that. I'm also gonna hook you with one of my shirts. And if you like, you can pick either of the boats to do some fishing. You can pick the little boat, so we can get into the deep areas, to the jungle area, on the Sacramento or the Feather. We can pick the big boat. We go out to the deep, fish under 70 feet of water, out in the Delta. Yep, stay tuned for that, y'all. 5 people away from reaching our goal, so we're almost ready to give all that setup away. All right, stay tuned for that, y'all. So man, any luck? Nothing yet. What are you using for bait?
Worms.
Worms?
Yeah. What about you?
I'm about to use some lures. Just a couple of lures, throw them in there.
Yeah.
You seen any fish yet?
No, I did it 2 nights ago though.
Yeah? Big ones?
That kind of fish is a little better here.
Yeah. Yeah, they imagine they stay over there and they come up here, go back out that way.
Yeah.
Man, water went down a lot.
Oh man, for like 2-3 days ago.
Yeah. Hopefully we get some rain. I think we're gonna get some rain next week.
Yeah.
So that should be coming up. Yeah. Hey man, there's some big stripers in the system right now, man.
Yeah.
Big ones. But so.
3 days ago, I had one on, man. Something caught too. I was like, I'm trying to put it in.
Oh man, right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back over here.
Yep. What were you using for bait? But yeah, use sardines or the anchovies.
Yeah.
Anchovies works good, man.
Yeah.
You can throw a lot of scent in the water. Yeah. Cool, man. I'm about to go check out a couple spots. I'll probably end up fishing on that corner over there.
Yeah, that's a good spot actually.
Yeah, but for lures, not bait, because the current.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, man. I'm gonna try it out over there. Yeah, come back and get some sardines, man, and anchovies.
Yeah.
All right. Cool, man. All right, good luck, man. See you later. Check out this spot right here, y'all. Looking good. Yeah. Out here in the Feather River. See if we do some fishing right here. Yeah. Water went down, but it's looking good. You can see through the water, so that's good. That's what I want. I wanted some clear water. I'm out here fishing before we get some rain. Everything's gonna get murky. So I'm about to try some of my new lures that I got from Exclusive Custom Lures. See if we can catch a fish right here. Nice. You can see a little bit in the water. So that's a good sign. Like that. Still pretty deep right there. Deep spot right there. Deep spot right there. Damn, why did we down? Oh, where the fuck did we down here? Fishing right there. Watch this. Yeah, but big shout out to everybody who subscribed to my channel already. Appreciate that. I really appreciate everybody who's been dropping me comments. Appreciate all that, man. Keeps me going out here. Keeps me doing the videos. Keeps me doing what I like. Look at that, somebody left the fishing rod right there. Looks like it's broken. Nice. What's wrong with this rod? Real broke? You fellas, try me a rod. Somebody left me a rod. Try me a rod. Yeah, it's a little cheap rod. So I can put one of my reels on here. Make it work. Nice. Alright. So that's my first little find, y'all. I like to come out here. A lot of people leave stuff behind that they don't want, that they don't like. I think it's trash. They just left it behind. I'll put one of my reels and use that, y'all. Lucky rod. Let me see if I find the cap. No cap. Okay, so cool. Finally, that branch fell down, y'all. That was the branch up there with a log right there. Finally came down. Nice fishing spot right here. Everything changed up. Everything's changing. Water's really low. Now we got a little beach down there. Perfect fishing spots right here. All right, let's go right here. Let's see where I can throw some bait. Check it out. This is where I got my rod right now. This is what I'm gonna be using, y'all. Check out this lure. Shout out to Exclusive Custom Lures. Go check them out. Put a link in the description down below. Let's see how this does. Good cast. Floater. See that lure right there? That looks in the water. I guess it's a good track of fish. Check it out. This is what the Feather River looks like. Man. Even fun of that. Cast it to there. See the minnows right there. I don't know if you guys can see the tip of my rod. Some minnows right there. So just bring them up a little. Here. Strap the load right there. Plenty of bait out here for them to feed. school of fish right there. Little bass, I don't know, minnows. Minnows getting a strike out here. So we're gonna trap the fish. They're helping me catch a fish, watch.